Don't be the rock side, bro. Good evening on this increasingly dark, hot, sticky, uncomfortable early summer, early June. This is Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing, where you like, subscribe, and share for one of a kind probability-based trading alert and the rock side, bro.
1,000 subscribers to the channel and growing rapidly now, as we are now monetized and we're waiting for all the paperwork and the YouTube stuff to be sent to me, and then we'll have all the exclusive Jabroni Killer member content start to be uploaded and categorized and archived and categorized, right, for you guys to use at your own disposal and convenience to try to make and fleece, heist, and shiest and trade this manipulated market in a probability-based sense. So you can use the technicals to put the odds in your advantage. And when you trade with Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing, you use a probability-based structured system to put the odds in your favor and take them out of the hands of the market manipulators. That's how we diagnosed up here in this rising wedge. It was actually much bigger down here, but this was really where it coiled up and was over. Then we were in this rising channel where you had your uptrending support, uptrending resistance, right? And we told you this was eventually going to end up down these rings, but a first major target got hit at 32,000, next target 29,000, and then our major underneath target 18,950, right? And then there's targets down there right in the middle of the last line of defense to the shit house, aka get my shit together box, or the orange zone, right? So that's what's going on down there. And besides that, this market, or this coin, Bitcoin's been trading just as we thought. It started trading along as we zoom in now from the daily time frame. And that's a trading rule that Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing uses, and you'll be taught and you'll have it beaten into you that you always start from the far out time frame and then you work your way in to get a proper understanding and perspective on the market, right? And you can see that's what we're doing here. But we're coming up to this ring where we've repeatedly been rejected. If you can pop over this ring right here, you see it, it's arced like that, goes from bottom left all the way up to top right. You see that? If it can break over that, its next major upper resistance where you would get sold out is the $41,740. If you could get up there and you could start trading in between this little makeshift symmetrical triangle, right? And then you would get rejected and come back down to that double bottom and then make another leg down more than likely, right? But that's what it looks like to me on the Bitcoin there. That's what I would watch out for. And then if we zoom in a little bit closer to the hour time frame, you can really see what we're talking about. You can see you got rejected here, you got rejected here, you got rejected here, and now you're trying to come through again. And if you can come through, you can get up quick up into this range up here. You see that? You'll trade right up into that $39,000 range. And then if you come back down and back test it as underneath support and bounce off it, then you're looking good. And then you can make that run up to that 41,740, right? So we're going to keep an eye on that this weekend. There's a Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing watch out here. And if you're on the East Coast, enjoy the big blizzard from New Jersey all the way up to Boston, New York, Long Island, and on up in the Maine, Massachusetts. All of you guys, Southern Vermont and New Hampshire, enjoy the big blizzard, right? It doesn't happen that often that you get a significant storm of that magnitude, right? Of 10 to 20 inches of snow on the coast. You can see the XRP is continuing in this consolidation. It, as my audience knows, it's a symmetrical triangle, right? And that's a neutral continuation pattern. And our upper resistance that we could possibly pump up to would be up here at 73 cents, would be your major sell zone if you're trying to play a bounce. And that would be a nice 15% gain. But I think what's more than likely happens once you get up there, if you did bounce, is you bounce, step up, trade, maybe get up above it a little bit, come back down, fall through, come back up, get rejected, and then you trade down to that 47 cent mark. Whether you come up here and then come down here, or just come down here, right? Or get into here and for some reason come up there, you're ending up down here, right? I don't think you're getting above the 73 cents. I think that is your major overhead resistance, right? But if you did on any kind of crazy pump in a thinly traded market at any time, $1.02 is your major, where you would have to sell out ASAP, abandon ship. But I think 73 cents would be a nice pop. Bam, trade, rejected, and then fleece, heist, and shice, new jabronis here. Just like when you bounced up into here, new jabronis are formed, and then you flushed, right? Like, subscribe, and share to Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing as we work our way towards 2,000 subscribers. Peace and love. Peace and love.